Need to make a change to a return you have already e-filed? With TaxCycle, you can use the CRA's ReFILE service to submit adjustments electronically. Just ensure you have an as-filed snapshot saved from your original transmission. When you modify a filed return, TaxCycle automatically detects the variance. Look for the bulletin and click Create the T1-ADJ. This generates the adjustment form and pulls in the new data. At the top of the form, set your adjustment method. Choose Send through ReFILE to enable electronic transmission. If the return is ineligible for ReFILE, TaxCycle will alert you to print and mail the form instead. On the T1-ADJ form, TaxCycle does the heavy lifting for you. In the Adjustment Details section, you will see a clear table showing the line numbers, the original amounts filed, amount of change, and the revised amounts. This provides an instant audit trail so you can verify exactly what is being sent to the CRA. Resolve the review messages from the Review tab. Remember, a refile always requires a new signature from your client on the T183 form, even if the dollar change is small. Once signed, confirm the signature in the Transmit sidebar. Click the Transmit Now in the T1 refile box. You will receive a confirmation number instantly, just like a standard e-file transmission. TaxCycle will then save an as adjusted snapshot to track this version of return. Your adjustment is now officially on its way. For more tips, visit taxcycle.com/resources. Thank you for choosing TaxCycle.